Hello guys, hope you are all well. I am Tasin. Today I will show how to get colorOS 6 on your oppo f11 or any oppo phones. Now my phone running on colorOS 7.1. This is oppo f11. This phone build number is now CPH1911EX_11_C.37. Now I show you how to you get colorOS 6 on your oppo f11 or any oppo phones. For this you need to first open any browser on your phone, then search here oppo software update, then open first website, then select your model f11, then scroll down and show more, then download CPH1911EX_11_A.10. this is colorOS 6. I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download. After downloading, you open your phone file manager, then open phone storage, then go download, then tap here, then there is option upgrade now. Tap here update system. It's take few times for updating. You need to wait. I want to get colorOS 6 on my oppo f11, but it's failed to get colorOS 6. If you update latest version on your phone, you don't get colorOS 6 on your phone because it's older than your now software version. So my phone back again colorOS 7.1, so I can't get colorOS 6 on my phone. So there is no way to get colorOS 6 on your any oppo phones. If you need colorOS 6 on your oppo phones, you need to root it, then install colorOS 6 on your phone. Otherwise you don't get colorOS 6 on your phone. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with me. If you interested about this type of video, subscribe my YouTube channel and